artifacts I made from clay. So these were just simply made with clay, just very primitive shapes. Wasn't trying to go for something very refined. Maybe the primitive people were more interested in function than maybe they're more interested in function than aesthetics. I made these out of Crayola Model Magic, and after they were dry, I painted them with a brown paint and added some black paint for the details. It's a skull, 2 bowls or bowl shapes, and a tablet with strange writing on it. Thanks again for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to push that like button, and if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Drop a comment, ask a question. I'd love to hear what you guys think. And don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next one.